Good morning, I'm Dr. Deukmedjian. I'm here with one of my patients who traveled from Michigan to Florida. He has had back pain for over 10 years, and he had a piriformis muscle tear as well as sacroiliac joint injury, which caused inflammation. And so we went in and did a sacroiliac joint rhizotomy, Deuk plasma rhizotomy. It's only available at Deuk Spine. And we did the Deuk piriformis muscle release, minimally invasive. You can see it's all done with a 4mm tiny incision, and the piriformis muscle was torn and inflamed, and it was irritating his sciatic nerve, which runs right through the piriformis muscle on its way down the leg. How are you feeling now after you underwent your procedure?
I feel great. It's surprising that I would have no pain whatsoever down my right leg. All the pain in my lower back is gone completely. It's just been awesome experience.
Now, you were here 6 weeks ago because you had a different kind of back pain. You had pain coming from damaged discs. We went in and used the laser to repair those damaged discs, and that back pain went away, right?
Absolutely. It was like right in the center of my back. Just that area completely went right away.
And that's about 6 weeks, 7 weeks ago that we did that surgery.
Yes.
And that pain's gone, but you came back with a different kind of pain.
Different back pain. It was a little bit further out, not in the center. But then I had the pain down the leg.
Yeah. So he had a right piriformis syndrome and a right sacroiliac joint inflammation. And those were being masked basically by the disc pain, which once we fixed his disc pain with the Deuk laser disc repair, he realized, oh, I still have some symptoms and they're lower down. He came back and we just fixed those. And how are you today?
I'm doing great. It's wonderful. I really recommend Dr. Deuk. And the whole institute's great. The people are super nice, really helpful, really attentive. I really recommend it.
Why did you come to Florida? Why not Michigan? I mean, you live in a great state. There's great medicine up there. Was there no one up there that could fix you?
There was nobody. I looked for this procedure. My sister took the time to help me look. She's really good at checking this stuff out and looking online. I couldn't find a doctor that could do the procedures that you could do that Dr. Deuk does. So
right, doctors are happy to offer patients treatments that don't work, like fusions, laminectomy, discectomy, spinal cord stimulators. There's literally hundreds of spine procedures out there that do not cure people's back or neck, and there's only 3 that do. That's why you came to Deuk Spine, because the cure was here and it was minimal.
Definitely worth it.
Happy with your choice?
I sure am.
Well, go enjoy your life.
I will.
And hopefully we'll never see you again.
All right. Thank you very much.
All right, you're welcome.